Hey everyone, Steven here from P2 Insights. We've been receiving a lot of questions asking us about what the Grainger PunchOut actually looks like. So here to just walk you through that very quickly today. Before we get into that, what actually is PunchOut? So PunchOut is a direct integration between your Maximo and a vendor's system. And what it allows for you to do is within your requisitioning system, get access to a real-time vendor's catalog. So it's a consumer shopping experience. You add the items that you want to your cart, and when you hit checkout, all that is actually brought back into your Maximo requisition, so you can continue with the standard requisitioning and order placement process. What does that look like? Well, let's say you're looking for this pump. We've added this button down here within your requisition. When you hit it, you'll get a list of all the vendors you have this integration with. For this example, we'll hit Grainger, and you'll actually go to the Grainger online vendor catalog within your Maximo, and this will display your pricing, your information. Now you just simply find exactly what you're looking for, aka this pump, add it to your cart. But because we're in Grainger's website, not only is it much easier to find items, but you get access to information like, is it actually in stock? When is it going to ship? And so you really make sure that the item is the exact one that you need. Now, when you hit checkout, like I said, all that information is automatically brought back right into your Maximo system, making the whole process much smoother and faster. And as you can see, we bring in all the information from the vendor's catalog, so it is 100% accurate. So what's the overall benefit? Well, it's fast because, as you can see, all the items are instantly, or all the item information is instantly transferring back into your Maximo. There's no manual entry, no swivel chair. You're not entering information from one screen to the next. It's accurate, so there's no more errors, and you're using the exact information from the vendor's website, and it automatically applies your negotiated discounted pricing, so you're not missing any of those savings. But not just that, you gain access to a much easier and more powerful search engine. Some vendors have bill of material explosions, others have commodity appropriate interactions or even graphical searches. You can get technical specifications, related products, alternate products, even hosted catalogs for suppliers that don't have online capabilities. And holistically, it enforces purchasing compliance as well, because you're using only the approved vendors. It'll prevent maverick spend, and approvals are much faster because all the items, prices, and everything are pre-vetted and standardized, and everything is ultimately tracked and recorded for better transparency and spend visibility. Now, we don't just have this enabled with Grainger. In fact, we have this enabled with over 1,800 suppliers, and we're adding more all of the time. And if you're interested, feel free to give us an email at info@p2insight.com or go to our website. Both places you can see an actual full live demo.